Hello children, welcome to you all. In this video, we are going to learn 4-letter sight words. Sight words are also called high-frequency words. High frequency means words that occur commonly in the English language. It makes reading much easier and smoother for the beginners. So are you ready? So let's start reading with the help of phonics. You also repeat the words after me. T-H-A-T, that. The at, that. T-H-I-S, this. The is, this. TH sound, the, this. W-I-L-L, will. W-I-L, will. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V, have. H-E-L-P, help. H-E-L-P, help. O-N-L-Y, only. Only. W-I-T-H, with. W-I-T, with. T-H-E-N, then. The N, then. W-H-A-T, what. W-A-T, what. I-N-T-O, into. Into. T-H-E-M, them. The M, them. W-E-R-E, were. Were. Last E is silent here. Were. O-V-E-R, over. 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 T-H-E-Y, they. The A, they. M-U-C-H, much. M-A-Ch, CH make ch sound. F-R-O-M, from. Fr-O-M, from. F-R make fr sound. S-A-I-D, said. S-A-D, said. M-A-N-Y, many. M-A-N-Y, many. L-I-K-E, like. 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 B-double-E-N, bean. B-E-N, bean. T-I-M-E, time. 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 A-W-A-Y, away. 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 M-U-S-T, must. M-A-S-T, must. Must. W-H-E-N, when. W-N, when. K-A-L, call. M-A-K-E, make. M-A-K, make. S-U-C-H, such. S-A-Ch, such. M-O-R-E, more. M-O-R, more. L-O-O-K, look. L-U-K, double O make U sound. Look. T-H-A-N, then. The an, then. S-O-O-N, soon. S-O-O-N, soon. T-A-K-E, take. Take, take. F-I-N-D, find. F-I-N-D, find. G-O-O-D, good. G-O-O-D, good. P-L-A-Y, play. Play. P-L sound, play. Play. W-A-N-T, want. W-A-N-T, want. V-E-R-Y, very. J-U-S-T, just. J-U-S-T, just. D-O-N-E, done. S-O-M-E, some. You also practice to read these words with the help of phonics. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel for many more such upcoming videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, link is given in the description. Thanks a lot.